Hello and welcome to a new video. So 6 or 7 months ago I posted my first video. It's that one on that screen. What is QA? There I mentioned some facts from OfficialQaGuy and from other sources. If you don't know, OfficialQaGuy stands for International Standard Qualification Board. It's an international certification for testers. So in getting back to today's video, I want to do something different. I want to ask you, what is QA for you? So I don't want to get you bored with different technical answers and other, let's say, texts from documentations and other explanations from really sophisticated paperwork. So I want to ask everybody, if you're watching this video, drop a comment down below. What is QA for you? I will start this thread and hopefully many people will join and we will create a big, let's say, list of answers that will help anybody who wants to know what is QA. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like this video and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Okay, and last but not least important, I forgot to add this, but I'm recording this and I will put it after the outro. The thing is, I want to thank you guys for watching. Those who are already subscribed, as you may know or not, the channel reached 60,000 views, which is a lot. I mean, when I started this channel 6 months ago, I never thought that I will get, like, let's say, a stadium of people watching the videos. I know the content at first wasn't really good, but as you can see, I'm trying different, let's say, cameras, microphone stands, and different types of tools that can improve my quality. So this is for you. If you appreciate that the quality of the content is growing, don't forget to like and drop a comment. And I don't know, have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.